The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is this year's most overlooked addition to Samsung's top lineup. The aesthetic continuity of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 with the Galaxy Z Fold may alter your opinion that there aren't many changes. However, compared to the Z Fold 4, Samsung has made significant improvements to the design, including a smoother hinge mechanism, a narrower gap along the pivot, and a slimmer and lighter overall gadget. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 has improved general usability as a result of an optimized design. The camera hardware on the Fold 5 is identical to that of the Z Fold 4, which is really disappointing. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor contains a new ISP, which could theoretically boost photo processing, but not considerably. Daylight photography is fantastic, as it should be. You get Samsung's usual oversaturation, with the attempt to make skies brighter and plants more green. Overall, I don't mind. Macro photography, in particular, looks nice, picking up particular motes of pollen in your floral close-ups. Whether you use the selfie lens on the outer screen or the main camera, the effect is the same. Your phone appears to be positioned on a gimbal or a track. This degree of stability and flawlessness is typically found exclusively in high-end smartphone cameras, so seeing it here is very astounding. On the interior screen, there is a disguised selfie camera. However, as with its predecessor, the Z Fold 4, photographs obtained with the internal selfie camera are hazy, blurry, and generally unimpressive. While the camera is suitable for video calls, its functionality is limited beyond that. Flip the phone around and use the cover screen preview to shoot a selfie using the primary cameras if you want to take a selfie with the phone open. Even when the lights are turned off, cameras continue to excel at taking images, as long as you keep within the constraints of the lenses themselves. It is critical not to zoom in past the zoom lens's 3x maximum, as photographs lose quality quickly. Moving subjects may be fuzzy also with the lenses you're sent, but the camera can occasionally be surprised you with a good photo. Good landscapes and pictures without subjects are the norm, not the exception. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.